Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already told about what is the balanced reaction, what is the unbalanced reaction, or you can say that skeleton reaction, and how you balance the reaction. But in this my lecture, revision lecture, I will tell about the types of chemical reaction. What is the types of chemical reaction, student? First type is a combination reaction and second type is a decomposition reaction. Lot of another reactions also like double displacement, exothermic, endothermic. But now in this chapter 2 only, so try, first of all we do the revision of combination reaction. The word you see, combine, combination, combine. When two or more element or compound combine with each other, when two or more element or compound combine with each other, that form the single compound, single product, that reaction is called combination reaction. Yes, any example? For example, magnesium ribbon. This is the magnesium, student, in the form of ribbon, that is a burning with a dazzling white flame. Yes, dazzling white flame, like a crackers, and you burn in the Deepavali like Fuljadi. Yes, MgO, that is a magnesium oxide. That form the, because magnesium 2 positive oxide always, keep in mind the main reaction is the metal plus oxygen. When a metal react with the oxygen, that form the metal oxide. How you are able to form the product? You should know about the polyatomic and monatomic ions, student. Magnesium valency 2 positive and oxide is a 2 negative. Then Mg 2 positive, oxide 2 negative, cut crisscross method, that is a MgO. This is the way. And you balance the reaction also. Mg1 here, magnesium here 1. Oxygen 2, oxygen 1. So you should multiply 2. But here now magnesium 2, now balanced. So this is the combination reaction. When two or more element or compound combine each other, give us a one compound, that reaction is called combination reaction, student. Yes. Any other next reaction we see there? C plus O2, CO2, that also combination reaction, student. C plus O2, CO2. That is a combustion reaction, burning of carbon in the presence of oxygen. That is called combustion reaction or oxidation. You add the oxygen only. But their general name is a combination reaction. Any another example? When H2 plus Cl2, student, react with HCl. This reaction is what? Non-metal plus oxide, that from the non-metal oxide. When hydrogen react with the chlorine, that from the HCl, because hydrogen 1 positive, here 1 negative. You know hydrogen are two types, 1 positive also, 1 negative also. When it react with the non-metal, they lose the electron to non-metal, that become H positive. But when they gain the electron, reaction with the metal, that become hydride ion, H negative. So H1 positive and chlorine 1 negative. Yes, student, crisscross method, HCl form. Now another reaction, student. Yes, H2 plus Cl2 gives us HCl, that is the hydrochloric acid, student. Any other combination? S plus O2, that is also sulfur dioxide. S, if more oxygen you add, that from the SO3. But when you add water, you know these oxide present in environment. When rain is there, these oxide, yes, combine with water, that from the acid. Because non-metal oxide when react with the water, that gives us acid. This is a sulfurous acid, But when you take SO3, that forms the sulfuric acid, H2SO4, students. Yes, next. Any another? Yes, iron plus sulfur, that gives us a iron sulfide. Fe2 positive, iron 2 sulfur 2 negative. Then what you do? Fe2 positive, S2 negative, cut 1 that is FeS, iron sulfide. Any other reaction, students? Any other? Yes, sodium plus oxide, oxygen, that sodium oxide. Any another reaction, student? Yes, Na plus Cl2 give us NaCl. NaCl. This is also combination reaction. How form? Na 1 positive, student, and chlorine 1 negative. So NaCl is there, student. So this is the combination reaction. I am again repeat. When two or more element or compound combine each other, give us one compound. That is called combination reaction, student. In next lecture we discuss about the decomposition reaction. Next lecture we do the revision of the decomposition reaction, student. Thank you.